clarity, 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 contain, 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 ambiguous, 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 instruction, 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 quantifiability, 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 response, 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 numerical, 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 terms, terms, terms.
Hi family member, welcome to day 9 of 31 days reading and writing journey. If you see me for the first time, you're so welcome to my channel. This is what we do here. It is English Affairs 101. It's all about read right, speak right, and write right. So if you're just joining me, you're so welcome, and you can actually be part of this family just by subscribing. And don't forget, turn on your notification button so you get notified whenever I post any video. So on today's video, we're going to be doing as usual. If you're seeing me for the first time, we are on 31 days reading journey, and if you're my returning subscriber, you're so welcome to yet another video. How has it been so far? Okay, I believe by now we have at least leveled up to a certain extent. Okay, I know, yeah, sure, I believe we have leveled up to a certain extent. All right, so let's dive right into today's lesson.
Characteristics, characteristics, characteristics. Should, should, should. Questionnaire, questionnaire, questionnaire. Features, features, features. Children, children, children. Following, following, following. Relevance, relevance, relevance. Illicit, illicit, illicit. Information, information, information. Necessary, necessary, necessary. Answering, answering, answering. Research, research, research. Hypothesis, hypothesis, hypothesis. Group, group, group. Consistency, consistency, consistency. People, pupil, pupil. Responded, responded, respondent. Different, different, different. Occasion, occasion, occasion. Possible, possible, possible. Usability, usability, usability. Bulky, bulky, bulky. Condition, 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 administration, 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 method, 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 scoring, 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 interpretation, 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 simple, 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 legibility, 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 printed, 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 character, 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 spaced, 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 black, 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 paper, 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 avoided, 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 dear, 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 legible, 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 testing, testing, testing. Okay, so we have this list of 2-letter words, 3-letter words, and 4-letter words. We are going to probably see on the comprehension, but we are going to read after now. Okay, so let's see them. On, be, off, by, or, if, as, it, to. Again, on, be, off, by, or, if, as, it, to. All right, the 3-letter words we have the, to, and, one, for, all, can, not. Again, the, to, and, one, for, all, can, not. Now the 4-letter words we have data, data, or you call it data, depending on the one you know how to pronounce. Easy, that, such, good, item. Data, easy, that, such, good, item. Okay, so from the list of all the words we've just pronounced, we have this at the end of the day. So this is what we have to read today. So let's read together. The topic is characteristics of a good questionnaire. Characteristics of a good questionnaire. A good questionnaire should be characterized by the following features. A good questionnaire should be characterized by the following features. 1. Clarity. A good questionnaire should not contain ambiguous items or instructions. Clarity. A good questionnaire should not contain ambiguous items or instructions. 2. Quantifiability. Quantifiability. The questionnaire should be such that responses from it can easily be quantified in numerical terms. And again, quantifiability. The questionnaire should be such that responses from it can easily be quantified in numerical terms. And 3. Relevance. It should be such that can elicit all the information necessary for answering the research questions and testing the hypothesis. Relevance. It should be such that can elicit all the information necessary for answering the research questions and testing the hypothesis. Usability. A good questionnaire should be such that it is usable. It should not be too bulky. Conditions for administration and method for scoring and interpretation of data should be simple and easy. Usability. A good questionnaire should be such that it is usable. It should not be too bulky. Conditions for administration and method for scoring and interpretation of data should be simple and easy. Legibility. A good questionnaire should be legible. It should not be printed in tiny characters. Words should be spaced and black inks here and there on the paper should be avoided. Legibility. A good questionnaire should be legible. It should not be printed in tiny characters. Words should be spaced and black inks here and there on the paper should be avoided.
Alright, so this is what it is for today's video, and I hope you got something for yourself. I hope you learned one or two. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to stay safe. See you on my next video, same time tomorrow, by God's grace, and bye for now.